to shake.
Crawl the wall. Tell her if she crawled the wall, it wouldn't be a bad example.
No.
Alice, how are you? How you guys doing? Caroline, how are you?
How are you?
You guys come on, let's cook. I'm cooking for Mama Tracy.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn my because this friend of mine they're coming in. They're coming in.
Good okra soup for her.
Sister,
How you guys doing today?
I'm gonna walk around. It's already over there.
I'm not gonna get up.
Hello, everybody.
Not letting me do a lot
No,
now.
don't do a lot, please.
I'm just gonna come speak though.
Church, you got your cane here. Here.
So what dessert are we making today, Mama Tracy?
Huh?
What dessert are we making?
I always be dressed up every day.
We're gonna do a flip. I just flipped the switch. So I'm gonna take puff and stuff it.
Really?
I'm gonna stuff it.
Stuff it with what?
Something sweet.
Something sweet.
I'm gonna make it.
Hello, everybody. Hey, Sonia.
I'm gonna make some dessert.
Wanda.
I'm home.
Karen.
Welcome y'all to my second home. My name is Tracy. Allow me to introduce myself. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Allow me to.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Enjoy myself.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself.
And it's okay, listen. I'm gonna let y'all come on over here off of my page anyway. Because we're gonna run these numbers up. So tell how many I got.
We got 361. What I need for y'all to do. Hey, Jermaine.
Tell them to stay there. 'Cause we're
Stay
gonna
there. Just stay there.
come over to Chef Ruby's
Come to Chef Ruby's.
right now.
Cooking with Chef Ruby.
Cooking with Chef Ruby.
Come on over.
Come on over.
Some okra soup today, y'all.
Cooking with Chef Ruby.
And I'm not gonna do that much. I promise y'all.
And I promise y'all I'm going to tell you about the mics on
I
right.
have to tell y'all some stuff I done learned about the caramel.
Ooh.
Caramel over here. So,
Hey, Janice.
Rashida, you joined us too?
So y'all don't know some things about Sarah.
Sarah.
Sierra Leone. They mean Sierra Leone.
Sarah.
Sierra Leone.
Sarah.
Sierra Leone.
Hi, Melissa. Melissa says, here you go with the knife skills again. You gotta teach me.
Honey, she got hands like a brick mason.
Hey, Jermaine.
That's how you go.
Hi, Donna. Hi, Sonia.
Tracy's going up. I want y'all to come over. Hey, Wanda.
Abu. My grandbaby over there. I'm gonna put his diary.
Do I need to come closer, you guys?
15,000
Eh.
right now.
If I need to come closer, let me
Well,
know.
you guys better get y'all pockets ready.
They
Y'all
white there.
better get y'all kids trained because Abu not gonna play. He's gonna be the head of his house. He really is, y'all. He don't play.
Hi, Sandra. Hi, Elliot. Hi, Charmaine.
Hey everybody, I love
Chandra.
y'all. Y'all, I'm finna.
Y'all let me know.
I'm finna make Ruby do some stuff tonight. She didn't know she was gonna do. We're warming up the grease. One thing we're gonna do is make a dessert.
If I need to come.
Y'all
Do I need to come closer? Okay.
Cass,
How?
I'm coming over here. Tell them we're gonna make. I'm gonna show her.
Hey, Tiffany.
I'm gonna make a quick dessert that I want Rashida to keep making. When Nazma get home,
Hi,
she's
Lisa.
gonna want hers, so y'all don't eat them up. And so we're gonna mix a little bit of Africa with America.
And then we're going to have Shaba.
So what we're taking is the African white yam and mixed it with our orange yam. Let them see.
Oh.
And I'm gonna make a dessert. Okay? And Rashida's gonna come and show you all as well. And in this pot, we're gonna do some okra soup.
You request that. So I'm cooking.
Okay, so you ready, Rashida? So what I did was I took some white yam. Let me get a spoon. Hold on.
Spoons are here, not there.
Okay, listen. So we got white yam. That's the white yam. And I got some American orange yams. And I'm going to turn these into a dessert. I'm going to make my sweet potato poppers out of her puff puff. So puff puff gonna meet pop pop.
Then it be coming to America.
Pop pop. Pop pop. It's gonna be a puff pop.
It's going to be a puff pop.
It's gonna be a sweet potato puff pop.
Okay.
And we're gonna.
Hey, Lisa.
promise you all, I have had my medicine.
I
just
made
took it,
sure.
didn't I, Chef Ruby?
Yes.
My husband has checked in on me.
And eat some good beans.
And I ate some beans, y'all.
What was that
I'm
called?
gonna have to get. I'm gonna make it up. I just made it up. It's no. I don't know. We'll put it in both our recipe books.
Yeah.
This right here, I need to get some of this because it was a game changer for those beans.
African palm oil.
African palm oil.
African pump oil.
Yeah.
Sarah.
She had got it for me.
Yes. Sarah.
And the ingredients that we're going to be using for the dessert is going to
Is
be
it blurred?
cinnamon, vanilla,
Vanilla. Nutmeg.
Please sprinkle. Is it blurry, you guys?
Is it blurry?
I was just asking, is it blurry? Somebody said it was blurry.
It's blurry. I think we have enough light here.
So when I get through, I'm going to mash those. I'm going to add the
Show
seasoning
them how I
in.
cut my potato, okra.
Can they see me?
Yeah.
Tell them if they want to. I want you all to make sure that you all realize that Chef Ruby, I didn't tell my page this. Look, Chef Ruby has 2 different size seasonings. Okay? This is $35. But look how much you get.
35 ounces.
This is 35 ounces. You're paying $1 an ounce.
32 ounces.
This is
16
all
ounces.
purpose. This is 16. You can't go wrong. And if you really like something, get the best one you like, the biggest one you like. All right?
All purpose.
And I gave her these jars. Trina Mack designed these for me.
Hold on, Tracy. Let me see what I can do because they saying it's blurry. Let me flip it
Moving is
around.
another location problem.
Here.
Okay. I turned it around for
So what
just a
Chef
little
Ruby
bit.
did was she took,
Am I blurry, you guys?
we're warming up the grease. As soon as those potatoes get hot enough.
It's
But
very
Chef Ruby
blurry,
took
a
her
little bit,
international flavors and
a
Chef
little.
Ruby, and she filled it
I
full
guess
of
it's
her
the light.
seasonings, you guys.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Mama Tracy gifted us with these beautiful jars. We just filled them up with some seafood
We need
and
some
some
cookies.
Is it still blurry? I'm trying to get it right. Adjust it right.
Oh yes, I'm gonna bring some more desserts back.
Mm-hmm.
I talked to your mama.
Glenda, yes.
Full of seasonings.
Let me turn it
This
back
is
around.
all-purpose Chef Ruby and international flavors.
We got the seafood over here and the all-purpose fillet.
All-purpose.
Not so much.
So guys, I'm cooking some okra soup for
Now,
Mama
is it blurry? Well,
Tracy.
if it's blurry, I want them to go ahead
Is it
anyway.
blurry?
If mine is blurry, I'm sending them over to Chef Ruby's page.
Hi,
Okay.
Tina.
Is it blurry?
Yes, it's blurry. They saying yes.
Hi, Ann.
It don't look blurry.
It don't look blurry to me. Look.
You guys see the meat puff?
Let me see. Let me ask them a
And then we're
question.
gonna make some puff pop.
Let me
We're
see.
gonna make some puff pop. Puff pop.
Yeah, well, that's what we're gonna call it.
Puff pop.
Do y'all think it would be best if y'all just go to Chef Ruby's page? I can end this live.
Cooking with Chef Ruby.
Cooking with Chef Ruby. Tell them we need for them to go on over there. I don't want it to be blurry. I don't want to waste the video. So listen. Start dropping off right now. Start dropping off. I'm going to record my end. And I'll upload it when I get ready to make the puffs.
Mama Tracy's page, make sure
Y'all know I can't do a lot. So the best thing y'all can do, I'm not going to get crazy and be crying tomorrow because I overdid it. But if you would go ahead, I would appreciate it. Now I'm looking. Rashida, check the number. Tell me what we got.
we got 3 on right now.
Okay, I don't know why y'all. Go ahead. I'm waiting on y'all to drop off. My numbers are not dropping fast enough. No. You're just going to go to Chef Ruby's page.
Spell it for me.
It's Cooking with Chef Ruby, R-U-B-Y.
Cooking with
Try
Chef
wiping.
Ruby.
It's okay if y'all go over there. Y'all don't have to be on my page. Is that better?
I'm gonna take my friend from that oak because he has a fit. He love that.
Cooking with Chef Ruby.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what we got now, Rashida, over there?
We have 326.
Okay, I need. Come on, it should be at 700. Come on, y'all. Go to Chef Ruby's page. I'm gonna record it. Don't worry about it being blurry. It's okay. I'm waiting for my numbers to drop off. Keep dropping off. I shouldn't still have 346. Come on, drop. What we got, Rashida?
We got 335. They dropping over there. They
Coming on over. Get on over there. Cause we're gonna do a giveaway. So I want my people over there for the giveaway. I want y'all to try her seasonings. So I need y'all to go over there. Okay, it dropped again, Rashida. Check your number.
342.
Okay, let's come on up some more. Drop some more. Get me out the 300s. You gotta move just for me to. I'm gonna be live on her page, Poocha Kim. I'm gonna be live. I'm gonna end my live. Okay, you're dropping. Rashida, where we at?
We at 337.
All right, we should be over 400 by now. Come on.
Hi, Michelle. Hi, Susie.
I love y'all. Go over there. I'm gonna be over there with her. I'm gonna video the dessert and I'm gonna upload it. Yeah, keep dropping down. What we got is dropped again.
335.
Huh?
335.
Okay. You ain't at 4 yet? Come on, I need you to get to 400 for me.
Come on
Yeah,
in,
cooking with Chef Ruby.
Yes, Tiffany. Tell them. Come on in, honey.
Y'all come on, honeybees. Swarm on over there, honeybees. Swarm over there for me. Don't make me look bad. Please, honeybees. Mama's Comfort Cooking, honeybees. Please swim over there for me. Why am I going up? I don't want to go up. Why the number's going up over 300 again?
Come over to Cooking with Chef Ruby. We're waiting for you guys. Let's cook
If
some
y'all want-
good okra for Mama Tracy. You guys come on.
We're going to record
She
mine.
got shades on.
Yes, I'm
Yes.
cooking in style today. Look at me.
Yes. Check her out. Y'all seen it in a heel, buddy. Her mic was on right.
Check
Yes,
one.
Yeah, she was on right.
Okay, y'all. I'm going to go. Rashida, what's the number?
We're at 393. Oh, y'all almost there. Y'all almost see?
My bees love me and I love them back. Because it's good loving
It's
somebody.
so good.
Loving somebody when somebody loves you back. That's a fact.
Hey.
It's so good, good. Mm-mm. Needing somebody when somebody needs you back.
Yes.
To be loved.
Dun, dun, dun. Where we at?
We're at 413.
Woo!
Thank you.
Let's get it.
Come on over. Let's do it again. Do it again. So y'all, we're gonna do a giveaway too. She didn't know that, but we threw that in.
Yes.
Chef Cooking with Chef Ruby. I'm gonna record my dessert, so you will get to see it. And I want you to. It's gonna be a
Let her finish.
It's gonna be a puff sweet potato popper. Okay, we're gonna use her puff sweet potato popper, and cause this friend gonna record it. So if you don't mind going on over to Cooking with Chef Ruby, where we at, Rashida?
We're at 409 right now.
I need to get her up to 500 if y'all don't mind. Come on over. I know.
You can do it.
I'm sitting down. I ain't doing nothing because I can't, y'all. But I can sit right here at this bar when I get ready to record it. I'm gonna sit down and make that dessert. I'm not gonna be disobedient. Doctor's orders, Eddie's orders. Chef, Miss Chef Willie C. Hey, sister-in-law Johnny May knows I love you. Can y'all?
Johnny May, tell him more I love him.
I love Charles Stanley too. I love his SNR.
Can I put Rashida to work?
Okay, so y'all go on over. Where we at, Rashida?
Look at this. Look at
What's
that.
our number,
We're
Rashida?
at 413.
Oh my God.
It's at 400 now.
Go back. Don't come back to me. I'm finna get off. Y'all stay, because if I don't leave, y'all won't go. I need y'all to go. I'm gonna be I'm over at Chef Ruby house. Come to Cooking with Chef Ruby. All right? Because we finna do something.
Yes.
Because I need you also to go follow her YouTube. But we'll talk about that when y'all get over there. I love y'all. I'm finna go cook with Chef Ruby, and I'm gonna be on her page. So if you want to see how we do this